Stages of Tiedeman's development. Exploration, crystallization, choice, and clarification comprise the stages of anticipation, while induction, reformation, and integration comprise the stages of implementation. Anticipation or preoccupation. Exploration, individuals may follow leads in an unsystematic way, possibly imagining and fantasizing or worrying about their deepest fears. Crystallization normally represents stabilization of thought. Thoughts and ideas are more ordered, and up and down sides of choices may occur. Temporary choices may occur as well. Choice, clients may have varying levels of confidence in their choice, and choices may vary in complexity. Sometimes there is conscious awareness of choice, sometimes there may not be. Clarification, time gives opportunity to reassess the choice and clarify it. If questioned, the client may return to the exploration stage. Implementation or accommodation. Induction, client implements their choice. Reformation, changes the client needs to make to fit in with their new situation. Following the choice and implementation, integration stage, where the newness wears off and the new situation feels familiar. David Tiedeman and Anna Miller Tiedeman were spouses and colleagues and went on to develop the original model further. David Tiedeman's decision-making model is based on Erik Erikson's theory of development, which is in turn rooted in psychoanalysis and Freud's work.